In today's video, we're going to be comparing pink ink to the Valentino Rockstud from a price range, fit range, as well as, you know, just the general pros and cons of each brand. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lina. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing an Australian brand called Pink Ink that makes their design based on or inspired by high-end designer brands such as Valentino. Also, just to get it out of the way, this video is not sponsored by any means. Now, I do have, like I mentioned, I do have 5 pairs here, 3 of which are the, they do have their own name, which I'll link it down below. I'll write it in the description box. These are the nude, or you can kind of, it's kind of pink, or pink undertone with the beige cage. The Rockstuds themselves, or the studs I should say, are nowhere near the Valentino Rockstuds. These are a bit chunkier, they're more round, and they don't catch the light as well as the Valentino Rockstuds do. Now, just to compare them, the cage is a little bit different. I mean, the whole material is different. The pointy bit on the shoes, as you can see on the Pink Ink, is a little bit more round and chunkier. On the Valentino is very pointy and sleek. The studs are slightly bigger in size as well, and like I said, they're not as pointy and they don't catch the light as well as the Valentino Rockstuds do, and obviously that's your biggest giveaway. The heel height is also very different, so I'm just going to put them here for you to compare them. Now, these are the highest heel in the Valentino. I'm not sure of the measurements, but that's the highest heel you can get. And in the Pink Ink also, these are the highest heel, which is, there's about a difference of probably 2 centimeters in height. So the Pink Ink is higher than the Valentino shoe. So that's your first comparison there. That's your very first, obviously, difference as well, or maybe obvious difference. Not so obvious, because no one's really going to run after you with a measure to see how high your heel is. But these are the main differences right there, with regards to the actual shoes themselves when you put them side by side. And obviously the colors are very different. I mean, the Valentino, this was the beige, which has got like more of a latte coffee undertone, and the cage is got like purple undertone, while this one is the complete opposite. It's got the beige undertone on the cage and the pink undertone at the front. The price range for Pink Ink, it starts from $90 and can go up to $250, I believe. Pink Ink seems to always have a sale as well, which is really, really good. I mean, I picked most of these up while they were on sale, which I think was about maybe 50% off, or 30% off. Obviously, they're not made of leather. They are all vegan material, which is really, really great for people that don't want to consume any animal products or, you know, leathers. Also, these are great if you cannot afford the Valentino Rockstuds. I mean, they are quite pricey, and I can understand that. And because they're pricey, I don't feel like I can wear them all the time. Or these are great. I've worn them non-stop, like I said, to death. As you can see, like, they're really, really worn. But even with me wearing them so often, I mean, they haven't worn out by any means. They've held up really well. I don't wear them for special occasions or anything like that. I've worn these to the office, I've worn them out to lunch, I've worn them anywhere, you name it, even to the shops I have, and they've held up really, really well. I do like the quality of them. Like I said, just because they're not leather, it doesn't mean they don't withstand or they're not durable. They're actually quite durable, and they're very, very beautiful. I love them. The rest of them I have not had a chance to wear yet, because I bought them just before and after COVID had started, and like I said, they had a sale. I am so excited to start wearing them, or just wear them out in general. I mean, again, these are brand new. I haven't worn them yet. I'll show them on for you, and yeah, you can obviously decide for yourself. Again, it's a fraction of the price. Now, the variety of colors are quite unique. They do have a lot of colors on their website, and most of the colors are a giveaway that they are not Rockstuds. So they do have like a snake print, they have all kind of designs and colors that are, like I said, pretty much a giveaway. They're not Valentino Rockstuds. Some are very similar in the color range, but again, the undertones of those colors are very, very different when you compare them to the real thing. They do have a different range of size, or heel size I should say. They do have the ballerina flats. The heel shoes also come 3 different sizes. So one of the sizes, I mean, this is the highest that you could get, and I love my high heels, so I can't go lower than this. That's just a personal choice. They do have the kitten heel, which I believe is like up to there. They also have the medium heel, and this is the high heel. So if you're not into high heels and you want the flats or just the kitten heel, they definitely have a really decent range of heels, and most of the designs come in all 3 heel size options, so you can always pick what you really, really want. I feel like the quality and the make is really amazing for the price that you're paying for them. They're very durable. If you do have Valentinos and you don't want to wear them out because you don't want to ruin them and you're saving them for a special occasion, these are definitely the next best one that you can wear every day into the office, out with the girls, on a coffee date or a lunch date or whatever you like. These are definitely versatile and they're absolutely great.